Are you paying too much for insurance? Or are you looking for a good insurance company and getting fed up with comparing insurance rates? You may think of finding an insurance agency, but not all insurance agencies are the same. Choosing the right one can make a big difference in price, service, and value. We understand how overwhelming insurance lingos and decisions can be. That's why we're here to cut through the clutter and to support you. We represent a number of different insurance companies, and we're focused on you. No matter your history, preference, or budget, we make it our priority to find the best insurance policy and options for your specific situation. Our licensed professionals will team up with you, compare coverages and prices to find the plan that works for you, your family, and your business. Don't waste your time in the insurance games. Let us assist you. Contact us today.